A lion wipes his tears, a zebra prays in dread. No one can process what they see, a chicken crowned instead. Can you fear the chicken tonight? It rises to the throne. Just bow before your chicken king, or run for what you own.
How could you?
It was one time. I was bored.
You took playing with your food to a whole new level.
No. Cut! Stop the movie! Let me calm down. That is not how this story started. If lions were making chicken hybrids, I'd leave Earth. The real story started with a man who should never have had free time.
I hope this works. Don't want to blow myself up. It is alive! It is alive! Cannot believe it worked! Dr. Frankenstein, heat my flux capacitor! Oh no! The system is overloading! Hope I get some chicken licking out of this!
And that, my friends, is how the first lion chicken escaped.
Look at my lab! It's ruined! And the worst part! I didn't even get to name it! Wait, I didn't give it a brain! Oh well, what's the worst that can happen?
Yo, Tim, you want some coffee? Going to head up for my break.
Yeah, sure. Nothing ever happens here.
How did I end up like this? From success to security guard. And where is Mike? With the coffee? What the... is that?
What is that? Let me go check on Tim.
Mike, help! 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 Help!
Run, Tim! It is gaining on you! No! Tim! No! No. Tim can't believe you gone. I need to call the police.
10111 SAPS. What is your emergency?
Hello, operator. We need emergency services urgently. My friend was just eaten by a chicken.
Sir, this number should be used for emergencies only. Should I dispatch a unit for your friend eating your lunch?
No! The chicken is eating my friend. It's huge, it roars. Like a lion, it is going to come for me next.
Okay, so first I need you to stay calm. Take a few deep breaths. Now go outside, take a picture of this thing, and take it to your nearest police station.
You want me to do what? Send someone before this thing. It's me.
So please don't be so rude with me. I am only giving you suggestions. I need you to remain calm. Shouting at me does not help situation.
I am not being rude, lady. I'm scared. Please send someone now. It's getting close.
Okay, sir. I will send someone to your location. Now remain calm. They will be there shortly.
No, please. No, don't eat me. I promise never to eat KFC again. Someone help! Please help me!
This guy is so rude. Well, lucky, I got his GPS location from his phone before he hung up.
Well, that was the end of Tim and Mike. Just like that. No warning. No. Maybe. Don't go in there. But don't worry. The emergency operator was amazing, calm, professional, completely unbothered by reality. She sent help. Fair enough. She just forgot to mention the situation involved a lion chicken. No urgency. No concern. The guy who went to investigate, yeah, he had problems. Big problems. Feathered problems. Not sure if he made it. After that, the lion chicken became a menace, terrorizing society. Even the lions were hiding in a cave. I hope you liked today's bizarre tales. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Unlike the emergency operator,